Alright folks, let's see how much fun it is to change the battery on the Honda Ridgeline. Alright, let's start. This little radiator cover panel right here, just lift it up, it snaps. It's about maybe 8-10 clips. Put it off to the side. There's Phillips screws right here, little plastic clips. Just pop them up, grab this air intake, give it a little wiggle, and this thing will come right out like that. Okay? Once you get to see the top of the battery, you're going to see the battery retainer, which is this one here. Okay, there's a little harness clip over here on the right side here. Just pop that harness, put it off to the side. It's two 10mm nuts. Okay, once you loosen them up, you can unhook it from the bottom. Take that and put that off to the side. Then there's your battery terminals. Okay, always take the negative off first. Okay, negative off first, hang it off to the side. Positive, take that off to the side. Then there's this little funny cover. Okay, grab your fingers right there on that little clip there and just lift the whole assembly up and out of the way. Okay, once it's up out of the way, there's nothing else holding this battery on. So basically just to lift it up out of the way, which is what I did here. Okay, just lift it up out of the way, put the new one on. This is a Duralast brand. It's just going to sit right back on there. I'm going to take my little covers off. Okay, there's one here, there's one here. Okay, because you don't need them no more. I want to snap this cover back on and then put that retainer back on and the harness. All right, it's very simple. Let's do it. And there you go. Use your 10mm bolts. Your wrench and your nut, your socket. Put the positive on first, make it nice and tight. Then put on your negative. Okay, put that petroleum jelly that AutoZone sells you with the little fiber washers. I did that. Snap that cover back on and you're almost good to go. Now I just gotta put the air intake back on. Okay, that's this bad boy here. Just a rubber hose over there. Okay, that's all it is. Put that in there, put your 2 screws, and then put the rest of your panel back on, and you're done. And there's your battery change. All right, fairly easy, fairly simple. Oh, gotta put this piece back on. Just the harness out of the way. Okay, that's it. Everything good. This little cover, when it comes out, it just hits this piece here. That's all right. You can just wiggle it, move it all around, and it'll pop right out. Okay, everything's nice and tight. It's not going nowhere. Good to go. Thanks for watching.